Hey y'all, this is Ashwin again. How is it going? Welcome to my Python tutorial. So in this video tutorial, we are gonna have a look at something that we have already learned earlier in a bit more detail. So we have already learned the fundamental purpose of if name equal to underscore main. Okay, so this thing actually helps us distinguishing between the scenarios when we are invoking our module directly from the command line or directly in the operating system shell, or we are trying to import that particular module into some other module. So we are going to see why we actually use only this if name equal to main and not something like name equal to only main without any sort of underscores in this video tutorial. So for that, just open your editor. Ideally, let's take an example of couple of program. Let's write couple of programs to see why we use this particular syntax. So now first save the file, save as. Let's save it in our usual location. Let's save it as prog08. Okay, so now in this case we are just going to print. Okay, so our usual syntax is, as we all know, we always say if underscore name equal to main, right? Underscore main. Okay, so this is what our usual syntax is. So we just say return, or like say sys dot exit of 0. It's a successful status. For that we just need to say import sys. Okay, so we always say if you have we always say like if a name underscore name underscore equals to in quotes, in double quotes or single quotes, whatever it is, underscore main underscore. So why it is like that? So for that we need to just first print, just need to see the printed value of the variable name itself. Okay, so this underscore name underscore is a special variable. Okay, so just say print underscore name underscore, and now we are going to launch this thing directly. Okay, using the run facility in ideally. So let's run this module directly. This is gonna launch this module directly into the Python shell. Okay, so now you can see that we have launched this thing directly in the shell of Python shell, or even if we launch this directly in the OS shell, the result is going to be the same. It just reads the string underscore main underscore. So it means that whenever we are going to launch directly this program, then the value of this particular variable underscore name underscore is going to be this main. That's why in the logic we actually write it like this: if name equal to main. So this is the way we actually check whether the program is launched directly, or we are going to launch it, we are going to access the program as another module from some other program. So let's try that scenario too. Just say file, and let's save this file as prog09. Okay, so this is going to be an entirely completely new program altogether, and let's say import prog08. Okay, so now if I'm gonna say prog08 and just, okay, so this prog08 is gonna, so let's open the module also, prog08 module 2. Okay, so now whenever I'm gonna say prog08, okay, so now we haven't actually included this print statement in any other code block. So whenever I'm gonna say import prog08 in prog09, so it is implicitly gonna import this executable statement print name. Okay, and let's then see what happens with this print name statement. Okay, what sort of output it prints when I'm going to access this module prog08 by importing it in some other module. So let's run this thing. Okay, so let me close the, okay, without closing, I'll run the module. Okay, see, now you can see this difference. The piece of code that that has been executed is essentially the same. Okay, it is the print underscore underscore name. Okay, so in case this particular name variable is accessed directly from the program, okay, where it is mentioned, it is just going to print underscore underscore main underscore underscore. Okay, and if it is accessed from some other module, okay, where we are importing the module which contains this which has the reference to this variable, okay, it is just going to print the name of the module, okay, to which actually this particular variable refers. Okay, so we can even have some sort of some sort of like more complex stuff built up on top of that. So let's just say, let's modify this program a bit, and just say print underscore underscore name underscore underscore, and okay, so for the sake of simplicity and to avoid the confusion, I'm going to delete everything else. So now you see these two pieces of code are exactly the same. Okay, except here I'm just importing sys and then I'm printing the name. So let's even delete this because we are not using it anymore. Okay, so here I'm just printing the name. Okay, and here I'm importing the PROG08, and then I'm printing the name of PROG09 here. Okay, so now if I'm going to run this thing, okay, again, so yeah, so this is the expected output. So because it is now printing this statement twice, okay, so now as you can see, so first of all, when I say import PROG08, it has only got one line, print name, and here the name refers to the PROG08. That's why it has got the value PROG08, because we are referring it from PROG09. And when this statement is executed, it is directly executed from PROG09. So it is gonna just print MAIN. So now let's make it even a bit more complex. Now just save this file as PROG10. Okay, and let's say PROG09. So it is like something more like a movie Inception, because here we are accessing. So now just let me open the file for you. Yeah, so now you can see here how we are organizing the code. Okay, here we are just printing the name. Here we are importing that module and printing the name of the current module, and here we are even importing the module which has imported some other module, and then again printing the name of the current module. So now if I'm gonna execute this, so it's gonna let us guess the output. It is first gonna say PROG08, then it's gonna say PROG09, and then it's gonna say main, right? So now here is the output. Let me highlight it for your sake. So it says PROG08, and then it says PROG09, and then it says underscore underscore main underscore underscore. So this is how it returns the values. So this is how the name variable underscore underscore name underscore underscore variable, this is a special variable which is essential in distinguishing between the scenarios whether the module has directly been invoked or using any editor or using command line, or it has been imported and then it has been invoked. So this is how we work with, that's why we have actually the condition like this. So now let us add that condition here. We can just say if the name equal to sorry, so just say if underscore underscore name equals to main, then here you perform some action, let's print invoke directly, and just say else. So this is the else clause, just say print invoked or just say has been imported to the current module. Okay, has been imported to the current module. That's how it works. Now let's just run it. Okay, so it says now invoke directly, right? You got, I think that now you are pretty much comfortable with the concept of this if statement, or the significance of this if statement into your program. So let me repeat it again. If you want to execute something directly, then this block of the code is going to be executed. Okay, and if you want to access that particular module as an import in some other module, then this block of code is going to be executed. So based on that, you can customize your logic, and you can like write your own packages and modules and do whatever you want with that. Thanks a lot for watching my video tutorial. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video tutorials on Python. Thanks a lot.